Good morning, everyone. Myself Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about Ansible role overview. Why we required Ansible role? Simple example: we have written the Ansible playbook, okay, for Tomcat, right? If you observe, we have almost 20 plus lines will be there, 20 plus tasks will be there around, right? So instead of writing all the tasks in single file inside the playbook.yml, we can divide that particular file. Okay, example, install related task, we can declare install.yml. Configuration related, we can declare configuration.yml. We can divide everything. Okay, in case if we get any issue on this particular step, we can go ahead and that particular YAML file and we can verify. Okay, and also one more thing, in if you use the Ansible role, okay, you can in this particular Ansible role, you can divide that. We have a, in case if you want, if we have a particular files, example, in Tomcat, we have a tomcat-user.xml, right? The particular tomcat-user.xml, we can declare in files directly. Okay. In case if you want to restart, we can use the handlers based on changes. If you want to automatically restart, we can use the handlers as well. Okay. There are a lot of advantages when using Ansible role. Okay. And let's see, Ansible role default, official website is Ansible. Just type it Ansible role. Okay. If you give it like this, okay, here, okay, Ansible Galaxy. Okay. This is the Ansible Galaxy. Galaxy.ansible.com is a official website of this particular Ansible. Here you can find all predefined roles. It means someone is already written the roles you can use. For example, in click the home. Okay. Now search here. Now what I'm doing here, I'm searching that Maven. Example, I'm searching Maven. What will happen? Maven related roles will be already written. Example, if you see here, here it is there. You can use this particular role. Okay. If you want, you can use existing roles as well. But in real time, we won't use existing roles. We'll be write our own roles and we can distribute our project. Okay. For example, if you are working multiple projects, okay, you can write the roles particular project. You can same roles you can use for other projects as well. Okay. In case if you want to create the role, for example, I want to create a HTTPD role. Okay. I want to create HTTPD role. Okay. How we can create Ansible. Okay. -galaxy. Using Ansible -galaxy command, we can create the role. Init means it will be initialized. Okay. Then I'm giving the role name. What is the role name? Example, I'm giving HTTPD. But here I'm giving offline. Offline. Why I'm giving offline? If you're not giving this offline, what will happen? In case this particular role is HTTPD role is available in this particular inside galaxy.ansible.com, you will get that particular role. It will be downloaded. But we required a create a customized role, right? Our own role. That is the reason I'm giving offline. Okay. Just enter. If what happened? What happened? Give me 1 second. Here I have given the command is wrong. Okay. I'm giving Ansible -galaxy. Okay. In it will be initialized. I'm giving the HTTP. This is the role name. Okay. Then -offline. Okay. Now, if you see here, it is showing like role HTTP was created. If you give the LL command, you can able to see the role HTTP is created. Now I'm going to inside the role. Here you can see the multiple files and directories. I'm using 3 module, 3 command. Okay, 3 dot. Now you can see the everything, subdirectories, everything you can able to see. Okay. If you see here, default directory, it contains like if you want to declare any variables, you can declare inside the default directory, inside the main.yml, we can declare the variables. Okay. Here files directory. Files directory is nothing but example. When you install the Tomcat, we have declared tomcat-user.xml and tomcat-script.sh, right? Those files we can declare here inside the files directory. Okay. Next one, handlers. If you made any changes, if you want to restart, we can declare handler session. Okay. Next one, metadata. Metadata is nothing but you can write who is created the particular project, who is the author of that particular role. Okay, everything you can declare inside the metadata main.yml. And readme file, you can write what are the exactly this project. Okay, if you want to return any project related info, you can return inside readme file. And coming to the task directory, this is a very important. In playbook, we have written, right, for when you install in the Tomcat, we have written the tomcat.yml, right? The tomcat.yml, whatever we have declared the task, right? Everything we can declare inside the main.yml. Inside the main.yml, we can declare all the tasks. Got it, right? And templates, if you want to declare any specific templates, we can declare inside. Files will be declared here. These templates, it will be extension with the .j2 file extension. .j2 is nothing but Jinja templates. Okay, we can call it as Jinja templates. What if you have any Jinja templates, we can declare inside the templates directory. Okay, next test, you can ignore this one. And coming to the vars also we can declare the variables. Remember, might be you will get doubt, like here default directory also I said variables, and in vars directory also we can declare the variables. But if you declare in vars directory inside the main.yml, it is a high priority than default directory. Remember, I have declared in default directory and also I have declared in vars directory. But first it will be pick up from vars directory because it is a high priority. Then if it is not available here, then it will go to the defaults directory. Okay, got it, right? What I'm saying here, this is the role, Ansible role directory structure. This is a very important interview level. They will ask, hey, can you please explain Ansible role directory structure? You can explain, like, first one, defaults directory. We can declare inside the default directory, we can declare the variables, and files directory, we can declare the files, and you can call it the files inside the playbook. And next one, handlers. If you made any changes, if you want to restart, you can use the handler session. And next one, meta, if you want to write any project related information, who has created, who is author of that particular role, you can declare everything inside the meta information. Okay. And next one, readme file, you can declare the project, the particular role related, what it is happened, what are the main uses of this role. Okay. Next to templates, you can declare if you have any .j2. .j2 is nothing but Jinja template. If you have any Jinja templates, we can declare inside templates directory. Okay. Next one, test not required, you can ignore it. We won't use that one. Vars directory, we can declare the variables. Okay, remember here, if you declare the variables in both default directory and vars directory, but vars directory, it will be take high priority, then it will go to the default directory. Okay, I hope understand that what exactly the role. The main uses of role, you can declare the role, we can write the role, and we can reusable purpose. Second thing is, instead of writing all the tasks single playbook, we can divide everything in role only. Okay, got it, right? I hope understand that. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video.